This video will take you through the new protocol support added to the Pedestrian Markup tool in Oasys 21. The Pedestrian Markup tool is available through Primer and is used to mark up vehicles and generate pedestrian impact points in accordance with a selection of protocol regulations. Subsequent impact models can then be built from the impact points generated. The tool is updated frequently so as to support newer protocols and amendments. For Oasys 21, the Pedestrian Markup tool now supports the GB24550-202X protocol. To run the protocol, the Markup tool requires the selection of the outer vehicle parts, as well as the bumper, bonnet and windscreen parts. A windscreen obscuration part can be optionally selected for the windscreen zone reference lines. When the markup is finished, impact points will be labelled with a C for child impact points, A for adult impact points, and W followed by A or C for windscreen adult and child impact points. After selecting the outer vehicle parts, the GB24550 protocol can be selected from the drop-down list, allowing you to select the remaining parts required. For calculation of the windscreen zone, the markup tool can be run with or without a windscreen obscuration part. If not provided, an optional pseudo-obscuration width can be specified to emulate an obscuration part. After the markup is finished, the tool will automatically generate impact points for the requested impact zones. These can be written out to a set of CSV files, allowing the impact models to be built at a later date or directly from within the markup tool.